What's up, awesome friends? Walang nag-request nito, pero here's another medyo nakakahilong video. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Maglalaro tayo ngayon sa paanan ng Old Downhill Site dito sa Narvacan, Ilocos Sur. But first, daan muna tayo dito. Oops. Sige, tawid ka muna, Dre. Makikiraan lang. Salamat. This is one of the nicest views in my hometown. Napakaganda, napaka-aliwalas. Parang yung mga old wallpaper sa Windows PC. Magandang site din para sa mga photoshoot or video shoot. Check out the view. Kaya naman ako nagbabike, hindi lang dahil sa physical activity or sa exercise, kundi para na rin maalagaan ko yung mental health ko. Para holistic yung approach, mind, body, and soul. Nagkakaroon ako ng peace, calmness, and clarity, lalo pag nakapunta ako sa mga lugar na ganito kaganda. And when your mind is in a good state, everything else follows. Ito naman yung dating motocross site dito sa amin. Pero wala na rin, hindi na rin na-maintain. Tsaka wala na rin naglalaro. Sayang, ganda pa naman. Ito naman yung lagi kong sinasabing one of the best coastal roads dito sa Ilocos region. Dito rin ako naglo-longboard dati. Saka maraming tumatakbo dito tuwing hapon and in the morning. Ang ganda rin ng sunset dito hanggang golden hour. Yan na yung beach, yung West Philippine Sea. Ito na yung paanan ng Old Downhill Site dito sa Narvacan. So, akyat lang tayo konti. Ito din yung trail para sa mga hikers. Grabe, ang dami talagang twigs. Kailangan nating tanggalin itong mga to para hindi delikado mamaya. Hindi na talaga nagagamit to pang trail ng ng mountain bike, ng downhill. Kaya ganito na. Yan, bangin. Pag nagkamali ka at nahulog dyan, good luck. Hanggang dito lang tayo kasi kailangan mo nang magbuhat ng bike dyan. So broken trail na yan. Pero bago ang lahat, syempre, picture muna. Dito naman tayo, meron din isang road trail dito. Light off-road siya, may part na medyo mabato. Konting akyat lang, total hindi naman masyadong steep hanggang marating natin yung broken trail ulit, tapos doon na tayo mag-start. Sayang kasi talaga dito, ang ganda ng trail, ang ganda ng location, tapos accessible pa kasi tabing kalsada lang. Ang dami pa sanang pwedeng ilagay at gawin dito. So as in, sayang na sayang talaga. Here we are. When you're going downhill, there's literally nothing on your mind but what's in front of you. You have to adjust to the terrain fast enough so you won't have an accident. You have to make quick and timely decisions, and you can't afford to get distracted in order to arrive in your destination safely. Kaya tong pagbabike ko, napaka-effective na pang-clear ng mind. lalo na pag nawawalan ako ng focus or kapag very crowded na yung utak ko, kailangan talagang mag-clearing operations. Kumbaga sa PC or sa phone, kailangan kong mag-clear cache para makapag-perform ulit ng maayos. Actually, kahit minamigraine ako, lumalabas pa rin ako para mag-bike. Kasi physical activity always alleviates the pain for me. Nakakatulong yung workout, yung maliwalas na environment, at yung preskong hangin na mag-release ng endorphins, improving blood flow, at ma-reduce yung stress. Importanteng alagaan natin yung mental health natin. Sabi ko nga sa umpisa, when your mind is in a good state, everything else follows.
Understand what you're trying to say. We need to say it. I am leaving. Walk away. Just stay right there. So fall. I'll just look at you. I'll just look at you. I'll just look at you. I'll just look at you.
Kaya kung may pinagdadaan ka ngayon o may kinakaharap na challenges, wag mong hayaang malugmok ka sa bahay nyo. Kung nasa loob ka lang ng kwarto mo or nasa loob lang ng bahay, lumabas ka, engage in physical activities, and move forward.
Big brown eyes trying me to sleep. Spaces are in me. I'll stay, please stay. I'll stay, please stay. I'll stay, please stay. I'll stay, please stay. Words are not important. Master all I need from you. The yearning is getting stronger. I'm done. I hope you like me too.
When depression or anxiety hits anyone, it hits hard, no matter how small or big the problem is, the situation or the challenge. But guess what? Depression or anxiety cannot hit a moving target.
Two tables away, you can see me mesmerized. Wanna talk to you, but I'm so scared.
And once again, this is RJ Mr. Brightside saying, Carpe Diem, seize the day, live your life to the fullest, and inspire others to do the same.